Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use macros in data in Microsoft Access. Macros are powerful automation tools that help you streamline repetitive tasks and create more efficient workflows in your database, saving you valuable time and effort. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and loading into your database. Once the software has fully loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin working with macros. This initial step ensures that all your database elements are properly initialized and ready for macro implementation. To use macros in data in Microsoft Access, start by opening an initial database. Once opened, click on the Table tab located on the top part of your screen. This tab gives you access to various table management features, including the macro functionality we'll be using today. The Table tab is essential because it contains the tools needed to create and manage macros that will interact with your data. From the Table tab, look for the Named Macro button and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear, presenting you with different macro-related options. Named macros are particularly useful because they allow you to create reusable automation that you can call from multiple places within your database. From this drop-down, click on Create Named Macro. This action will direct you to the macro design screen, which is where the real magic happens. The macro design screen is your workspace for building custom automation tailored to your specific database needs. Once you're on the macro design screen, you'll notice a drop-down next to the plus button. Click on this drop-down to start designing your macro. Here you can choose from several actions that determine what your macro will do. These actions range from simple tasks like opening forms or running queries to more complex operations like sending emails or manipulating data. As you build your macro, you can also add in conditions on how your macro will work within Microsoft Access. Conditions allow you to create smart automation that responds differently based on the data or situation it encounters. This flexibility makes macros incredibly powerful for handling various scenarios automatically. And there you have it. You've now learned how to access and create macros in Microsoft Access, giving you the foundation to automate tasks and improve your database efficiency. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.